Ever thought about how the first few minutes of your morning set the tone for your entire day? It's no coincidence that some of the most successful and serene individuals have rock-solid morning rituals. The way we speak to ourselves upon waking is not just a reflection of our mindset. It's a blueprint for the day ahead. From the Stoic perspective, your morning words aren't just sounds. They're seeds that grow into actions, decisions, and ultimately, your life. 1. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. Emotions can be like waves, rising and falling with life's challenges. However, the key to inner peace is not letting those waves control your ship. When you remind yourself, I am in control of my thoughts and emotions, you're declaring mastery over your mind. You're choosing to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. This affirmation serves as a powerful anchor, especially in moments of stress or conflict. By practicing this mindset daily, you create a mental buffer against negative emotions like anger, fear, or frustration. Instead of being a victim of external events, you become the architect of your inner world. As Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic philosopher, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Each time you repeat this affirmation, you reinforce your ability to pause, breathe, and choose your response. It's not about suppressing emotions, but channeling them constructively. Over time, this practice builds emotional resilience, enabling you to navigate life's challenges with clarity and grace. Remember, true strength lies not in controlling the world around you, but in mastering the world within you. Start today and watch how your life transforms. 2. I will focus on what I can control. Life often feels like a whirlwind of uncertainty, with situations spiraling beyond our grasp. But here's a profound truth. Worrying about what's outside your control is like trying to stop the wind with your bare hands. Fruitless and exhausting. Instead, redirect that energy inward. When you affirm, I will focus on what I can control, you align yourself with a core principle of Stoic philosophy, mastering your reactions, choices, and mindset. The Stoics understood this balance well. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Your actions, your thoughts, and your attitude are your domain, your personal sphere of influence. Your personal sphere of influence. By focusing here, you reclaim your power. Think of life as a garden. You can't control the weather, but you can plant seeds, water them, and pull out weeds. By tending to what's in your hands, you create beauty amidst chaos. This mindset not only reduces stress, but also fosters growth and resilience. Start each morning with this affirmation and let it guide your decisions throughout the day. You'll find peace not by conquering the uncontrollable, but by mastering the choices that are truly yours. 3. I am grateful for this new day. Every morning, the world offers you a blank canvas, a chance to start fresh, make new choices, and embrace life's possibilities. When you affirm, I am grateful for this new day, you're not just acknowledging the passing of time. You're recognizing the profound gift of being alive. Gratitude is more than a fleeting feeling. It's a mindset that transforms how you experience life. When you start the day with gratitude, you shift your perspective from what's missing to what's present. Instead of dwelling on challenges or uncertainties, you focus on opportunities and blessings. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. This simple practice grounds you, reminding you that each day is a treasure filled with potential. Gratitude rewires your brain for positivity and resilience. It softens the edges of stress and prepares you to face obstacles with a lighter heart. By consciously appreciating the new day, you set the tone for everything that follows. Your mindset, actions, and interactions. Your mindset, actions, and interactions. Start each morning with this affirmation and watch how it opens doors to joy, growth, and peace in your life. 4. I will act with wisdom and virtue today. Each day presents a blank page, waiting to be filled with choices that define who you are and what you stand for. By affirming, I will act with wisdom and virtue today, you commit to aligning your actions with higher principles. This simple yet powerful statement draws from the essence of Stoicism, urging you to embody courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom in all that you do. Wisdom reminds you to pause and think before acting, to seek understanding and perspective. Virtue, on the other hand, guides you to choose what is right, even when it's inconvenient or challenging. As Marcus Aurelius noted, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. This affirmation is not about striving for perfection, but about living with intention. Whether it's making a difficult decision, treating others with fairness, or exercising self-control, these principles shape a life of integrity and purpose. By repeating this affirmation each morning, you anchor your day in values that matter. It empowers you to navigate life's complexities with clarity and strength, ensuring that your actions leave a legacy of meaning and positive impact. Start today. Your virtuous life awaits. 5. I am stronger than yesterday. Growth is a journey, not a sprint. Every day, you face challenges, overcome obstacles, and make choices that shape who you are. When you affirm, I am stronger than yesterday, you acknowledge your resilience and the progress you've made, no matter how small. This statement isn't just motivational. It's a reminder of your capacity to evolve. Think about it. Yesterday's struggles might have felt overwhelming, but you made it through. Maybe you learned a lesson, made a tough decision, or simply held on when it would have been easier to give up. Each of these moments adds a brick to the foundation of your strength. As Seneca, a Stoic philosopher, said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." This affirmation celebrates not only the milestones, but also the incremental steps of growth. It motivates you to embrace today with confidence, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. By repeating this every morning, you set the tone for self-belief and perseverance. You're not in competition with anyone else, just with the person you were yesterday. Celebrate your progress and let it fuel your journey forward. Today, you are unshakable. Conclusion: your mornings are sacred. They hold the key to commanding your day, and by extension, your life. The 5 Stoic affirmations are more than words. They're a call to action, a guide to wisdom, and a foundation for growth. Start your day with intention and watch your life transform.